Serious. Sangana ne pass. Jairira manje. Naroa manje. Naroa manje.
Itoze mkomo wako.
Chino kandwa.
Chino taura.
Naroa 2
English.
My heart was now stable now. Yeah. I put the leg in the chain. Now I had any head on.
A potential head on collision.
It was almost an head on. Went away again. I struck the gears and and I had confidence to know what I was doing. You know, I met officers. The first officers said, go. Because I was given everything with my grandfather.
Which officers?
I was given everything. Especially booted. Okay, I played the role. I sniffed and sniffed the whole night. So I was driving Jamari. This second officer stopped doing Jamari. And this car switched off. It was a problem of the battery. And I jumped from there up to Harare, no police. No license. I was just using card remez, you know that card? Measles. There's no one who knows that disease, especially the certain measles. Right. I was using that card. I came from Pretoria without anything. I was just using that card in my stuff. Up to now, I'm using card remez. You know this clean shaving, I did it yesterday. Why there? So they just said, no, take it home. The officer said, no, clean back home. You see, I said, I'll take my phone. People thought maybe Motor would change this. It's my personal car. And this is the second car. The other one is under the tree. Bamba Blaswanga. Nyasura.
Under the tree.
That's what we say. I had Q&A. Which type of car is that? Arafo. Those Arafo, the stick ones. Oh, the Indonga ones. I see. No, it's great record. I don't from in better boys. I don't from Penna. This man wants to sleep. This one. With women, he can do it himself.
Vakobana ndikuona pana papaita nyama nditi kama. Saka panodyiwa nyama paya paya manje. Ndapota hangu. Zvakazombodai soo.
Hanzi English Mr. Mto.
Alright. Zvakazombodai soo. Ma toothpick aya. Baba vepamba chibva simudza ari patebhuru zikanza ini kushandisa rudziko pama toothpick kubva zvaita zvishoma kudai. Apa ndota nenyama ichadyiwa pano. Zikanzi uyai pano mese vana. Ndokubva wadaidzwa nemushandi anga aripo. Zikanzi ari kubvopedza matoothpick ndiani? Abva asimudza ruoko manje mumaid webasa. Zikanzi inini kana zvinhu zvematoothpick ka. Mungangobvunza zvinhu vana venyu avanyatsobvunza izvo zvakanaka.